Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we join Asian farmers to raise free-range chickens and harvest eggs. When raising free-range chickens, you can be completely assured about the quality of meat and eggs. Free-range chickens are raised naturally, mainly eating food such as grass, rice, and insects, healthy sources of nutrition and not chemically treated. This helps you get nutritious eggs and sweet, fragrant chicken meat, rich in protein and less bad fat than industrial chicken. The safety and quality of this food is especially suitable for families who want to maintain a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Farmers do not need to buy a lot of industrial feed because chickens can find natural food sources in the garden such as grass, seeds, and insects. This not only helps save costs, but also makes the most of available natural resources. In addition, chicken manure is also an excellent organic fertilizer, helping to improve soil and increase crop fertility without the need for expensive chemical fertilizers. You have both clean food and a good source of fertilizer, saving money on both buying food and taking care of the garden. Chickens are animals that have the ability to catch insects, ants, and other harmful insects, helping gardens avoid destructive agents without the need to use pesticides. The surrounding environment thus becomes cleaner and healthier. Free-range chickens also help maintain natural balance, positively contributing to the family's small-scale agricultural ecosystem. Taking care of free-range chickens, witnessing their development from fledgling chicks to adulthood, also creates an intimate, relaxing, and enjoyable experience. This not only helps reduce stress, but also creates opportunities for family members to participate in small farming activities, strengthening bonds. Effectively caring for and raising free-range chickens depends not only on taking advantage of natural space, but also on how you organize, manage resources, and apply appropriate nurturing methods. To raise free-range chickens effectively, you need to focus on the following factors. Choosing free-range chicken breeds plays a very important role in ensuring the productivity and health of the chicken flock. You should choose healthy chicken breeds that can adapt well to climatic and environmental conditions. In Asia, some popular and productive free-range chicken breeds include chickens, and broiler chickens. One of the highlights of the free-range chicken model is that the chickens can live freely and comfortably in a spacious, airy space, helping them grow naturally. This not only makes the chickens healthier, but also reduces the risk of disease, as a well-ventilated environment helps limit the spread of bacteria and disease. Make sure the garden area is shaded so the chickens can avoid heat in the summer and have a shelter system to protect against cold winds in the winter. At the same time, provide shelter such as a coop or a simple chicken house so the chickens have a safe place after dark. Free-range chickens can find their own food from nature such as grass, worms, and insects. However, for chickens to grow well and achieve high productivity, you need to supplement nutritious foods such as rice bran, corn, soybeans, and other grains. At the same time, it is necessary to ensure that chickens drink clean and sufficient water every day. You can add vitamins and minerals to the food to help chickens increase their resistance, especially during seasonal transitions or when chickens first hatch. Although raising free-range chickens has fewer diseases than chickens raised in captivity, it still requires a serious disease prevention plan. Some common diseases in backyard chickens include Newcastle disease, coccidiosis, or foot and mouth disease. Full vaccination is essential to protect chickens. In addition, it is necessary to observe the health of chickens daily to detect early signs of abnormalities such as decreased appetite, ruffled feathers, or thin stools. When detecting signs of disease in chickens, it is necessary to immediately isolate them to avoid spreading them, then find out the cause and promptly treat them. When raising free-range chickens, the number of chickens must match the area and resources you have. If kept too crowded in a small space, chickens are susceptible to stress and disease. On the contrary, if you release too little in a large area, you will not optimize economic benefits. Normally, the ideal ratio is 1 to 2 chickens per square meter of land to ensure chickens have space to move and forage naturally. Another benefit to raising free-range chickens is that chicken manure is great as a fertilizer for plants. You can take advantage of composted chicken manure and mix it with soil to fertilize the garden, helping the plants grow well without using chemical fertilizers. This creates a natural cycle between livestock and crop farming, helping to save costs and be environmentally friendly. Although raising free-range chickens does not require as much effort as compared to cage-raised chickens, it still requires proper time management. You need to regularly check the health of the chickens, supplement food and water, clean the barn, and monitor the development stage of the chickens to make timely adjustments. Chicken eggs have long been considered one of the most nutritious and easy-to-use foods in daily life. Not only are they a source of energy, chicken eggs also contain many important nutrients, bringing many benefits to human health. Here are some outstanding benefits of chicken eggs. Provides high-quality protein, helps develop muscles and regenerate cells. Good for the heart, contains choline and omega-3, which help reduce the risk of heart disease. Brain booster, choline supports memory and thinking. Eye protection, lutein and zeaxanthin help prevent eye diseases. Supports weight loss, rich in protein, helps you stay full longer and control weight. Strengthens bones and teeth. Vitamin D helps absorb calcium better. Good for the fetus. Choline and folate support brain development. Improves skin and hair. Vitamins and biotin help smooth skin and strong hair. Above is a video about Asian farmers raising free-range chickens and how to harvest chicken eggs, which is quite special and attractive. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please subscribe to the channel and comment on the issues you care about.